Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode or a new episode. Yep, the shark is back. Last time I fixed the cluster. It works perfectly, but now we have some suspension issues. Something is really bad in the front axle, because when driving like 80 to 90, between that and you hit the brakes hard, it's gonna throw you out of the window when you don't have the seatbelt fastened, because it shakes so violently. That's nothing I have seen before. So, but yeah, I think there are wishbones and control arms and everything gone, but we will raise it up in the air, check. Maybe I need to order more parts. I have no idea, but yeah, let's get it up in the air. Let's see what we have here. Oh man, this is leaking oil and a lot of it. Okay, we need to address that as well. Where it comes from and why. Yep. Well, the good news is it doesn't rust. It's preventing rusting, so. But anyway, I think first of all, I'm gonna remove the cover and see what's underneath. Now I can see where it leaks so bad. You know what is funny? Funny thing is that this engine has been rebuilt a few years ago, and I would say the quality is quite poor. Otherwise it wouldn't leak so much. Everything is covered in oil. Let's remove some parts. What do you think? So, what do you think? Let's see. It's not that bad at all. Okay. So, let's see what the left one does. Ooh. Lower ball joint dead. Ooh. Yes, these are kaput. Now I wonder why it shakes so violently when braking. Well, here's the reason. And I bet the right one is almost the same. What about right one? Ooh, it's even worse. Me. Yeah, well. Now I know the reason why it wanted to throw me out of the car. Because there is some bushings, well, I would say missing. Remove. Gotcha, mother. Well, last time I ran out of camera batteries, memory card, and also the camera light battery ran out of juice, so I had to go home. But I'm back and I have few new parts to install. Anyway, new beautiful shiny parts. This is the left one. Actually, I'm missing the stabilizer bushings. Those are unavailable as aftermarket parts. I had to order originals and it takes 7 to 10 days to arrive, so I can do everything else. And when the stabilizer bushings comes, I can install the stabilizer back and it will be done. It's not going anywhere. Okay, looks like this is done. Ooh, hello! So, the bushings finally came. Now I can install them back and hopefully I can drive home today. So these are the original ones, 17 mil. There's 3 different sizes, 17, 18 and 19. You have to measure the stabilizer before ordering these, but yeah, something 16 something euros a piece, so not really expensive, but for a small rubber thingy it's quite a lot. But yeah, let's install them back. The holes doesn't line up at all. After 8 million years of struggling, finally the bushings are installed. Good and tight. So, looks like everything has been tightened. These I did, these I did, these I did today, these also. I don't know. As you can see, brand new and shiny. At least it's done. Now, and now, cherry on the top, new BMW badge. Yes, I had to use a screwdriver. Ooh. What the f is that? Turd. Yeah, that yellow thing won't come off, so let it be. Gotcha. New, original. well, I'm sorry. Come on. But yeah, this is it. For the moment, the E28 is done. There's few jobs I left for the springtime. I just don't have the time to finish it. And the winter is coming, so anyway, we're gonna wash the car, cover it and push it in the garage, so it will wait over the winter for the next season. And the next season I hope I'm gonna able to replace the rear axle bushings and trailing arm bushings and stuff like that. Maybe refresh rear axle completely, we don't know. But anyway, yeah, everything what needed to be done is done. I'm gonna fix the undercover of the engine in some point in the future, so this will go back on next year. And well, it's an old car, there's lots of small things to fix, especially the temp gauge is giving me false readings. It won't go over the blue section even if the engine is warmed up and the temperature is good. Also the moonroof, sunroof system needs to be replaced because the handle is broken, so we are able to open the sunroof when it's warm outside, because this one doesn't have AC. And yeah, well, the antenna is broken, and you know, lots of small stuff to do. About the jobs needs to be done on the car is the rear crankshaft seal is leaking, so we need to remove the gearbox and replace that. Maybe the clutch is also so. Yep. Also wheel alignment, but yeah, the wheel alignment will be after we are replacing all the bushings in the rear. So I'm gonna end this video now. I hope you liked it. If you did, give a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos in the future, don't forget to subscribe. I hope there will be more. I have few projects waiting, but there's a time for everything, so yes. But okay, I'm gonna shut down the camera and I see you soon. Take care. Goodbye.